and then I'll share my whiteboard.
Okay, sure.
All right, whiteboard is up.
All right, I am seeing it. So you want me to ask you mine first then?
Yeah.
Okay. So essentially what we're doing here is you've booked a one-way flight, and there are tons of layovers between where you are and where you need to be. And you wake up late, and you need to get to the airport, obviously, to catch your first flight. And you accidentally scrambled all of your tickets, and you have no idea where you're going now. So your task here is to write a function. It's going to be called reconstructTrip. And obviously, this is going to reconstruct your trip from the number of tickets that you have. Each ticket is going to be an array. It's going to have two elements, one source airport as the first element, and then the second element is the destination airport. The only differences here are the ticket for the first flight has a destination airport but no source, so it'll have a second element with null first element, and then the final flight ticket has a source airport, so a first element, but then a null second element, so there's no destination there. And then the function should output an array that essentially maps out the entire route of your trip.
Okay. So first off, I'll go ahead and do the function. I'm not sure how to get it to go to text. So bear with me here.
Sure, no problem.
Construct. And that'll take one parameter of tickets. Actually, okay, hold on. I'm sorry. I'm gonna share again, but I want to get text and not.
Okay. Right. Yeah, I can understand if you don't want to write this whole thing by hand.
Yeah. So we'll do, like I said, a function, reconstruct trip. It'll take an argument of tickets, and we'll do a hash of a variable called hash, and that'll be an empty object, and then we'll do const route is equal to array tickets dot length -1, and then we'll do let's see what open. Okay, not sure how that happened, but okay. So we'll do tickets dot for each, and then ticket, and if ticket is 0 or at index 1 is null, we will return. Nope, that's not right. Sorry, we'll route ticket 1, and we'll have our closing curly brace there. And then we will use our hash variable with ticket at 0 index. That's an O. Equals ticket, second index, and that will end that function. Let's see. Yeah. And then we'll do a for loop to iterate over the object of the arrays of the tickets. And we'll do tickets dot length -1 I plus plus. And then we'll take the route of index I and use this hash route I -1. And then return that route. Uh-oh. Can you see that on the screen, or is it not showing?
Yeah, I see that.
Okay, cool. Return route, and then close that. And then just for like I'll do the that sucks because now I can't see what it's typing. So, okay, and then we'll set like an object. So we'll do a longer one. And I'm just going to take the one from the problem just because I didn't want to like stray too far from it, I guess. I couldn't really think of like abbreviations of places, so I just kind of decided to copy it
Right.
instead.
Yep. Yeah, if it works, it works.
Let's do this. So we'll copy that, and then so I'm gonna put it up here because I can't see it for some reason. It won't let me like scroll. So
Okay.
we'll do the console dot log of reconstruct trip, and we'll do a longer set, and this is going to return show should print all of this once it finishes looping through everything.
Right. That should be the full trip.
Yep. So that is the one-way flight function to get all of the tickets, loop through them, and place them in order based on their the array of the stop, like the destination, and then the going to area.
Right. That looks good. I had last week I tried to come up with a solution, and mine was a lot more convoluted than this one. So I like the simplicity.
Nice. Awesome. All right, well, I'll stop sharing and I will stop recording.